Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. There was a time when YouTube was just a way to pass time in Jamaica. Music videos, dance challenges, funny clips, nothing too serious. But quietly in the hills and the corners of the island, something started to shift. Because for some Jamaicans, YouTube became more than entertainment. It became a lifeline, a passport, a voice. And at the heart of this unexpected digital revolution is a man named Colaz Smith. Colaz didn't start with much. Just a phone, a little curiosity, and a deep love for the Jamaican way of life. He didn't try to be anything he wasn't. He was authentic. He simply shared what he knew. Cooking in the bush, living simple, loving deep, and working hard. And somehow the world noticed. But the most beautiful part of Colaz's journey isn't just his success, it's how he used it to pull others up with him. Because when Colaz found his voice, he didn't keep it to himself. He handed the camera to his wife, and together they launched Jacia's World, a space where her voice, her perspective, her beauty as a Jamaican woman could shine. He helped his sisters, including Natasha Smith Vlogs, find their confidence and share their own stories. He encouraged Aunty Pauline, a woman full of warmth and wisdom, to launch Aunty Pauline Yaad to Abroad, where she shares authentic Jamaican dishes. And also her son Marlon Chung, who is another branch of the Colaz family tree, now telling his own story, carving his own lane, and reaching people across the globe. But it didn't stop with family, because Colaz believed in community. He saw potential in others long before they saw it in themselves. He handed out advice like he handed out meals generously. He gave his time, his platform, and his heart to anyone willing to try. And so they came. Pappy Spearfishing, Climber Adventures, Teabag Lifestyle, Ratty Adventures, Knife Ninja, Socks, Josh Lifestyle, and too many to count. These are ordinary Jamaicans who are now storytellers, entrepreneurs, role models, men who once thought they had nothing to offer, now building homes, feeding the homeless, and preserving culture, all with a camera in hand. And the impact, it's global. From the UK to Canada, from the US to the Caribbean diaspora, Jamaicans abroad tune in not just to watch, but to reconnect with their homeland, to feel the laughter, the pain, the rhythm of a place that still feels like home. And through these videos, through Colaz and his digital family, Jamaica is being documented, preserved and loved in a way that mainstream media never could capture. This isn't just content, it's legacy. It's culture in motion. It's proof that with a little vision and a whole lot of heart, one man, one phone, and one community can change the course of life. Because YouTube in Jamaica is no longer just a platform. It's a mirror. It's a microphone. And thanks to people like Colaz Smith, it's a movement. One that started in the bush and now echoes across the world.